We will now do another problem on Turing machine as a language acceptor. Okay, Turing machine as a language acceptor. So in the last video we have done this problem, that is a to the power n, b to the power n, and c to the power n. Okay, now we will do another problem that is L equal to, suppose, say this is a string omega c omega. Okay, and where omega belongs to you can say AB whole star. Okay, so omega is a string which comprise of A and B. Okay, so you can say, let us take a string like this way, say a string in this format, maybe suppose A B A A. Okay, A B A A, then you can say B C B, A B A A B. This is one string. Next C, and followed by again this one A B A A B, A B A A B. So this is omega, this is C, sorry, this is C, and this is again one omega. Okay, so let us try to find the solution of this particular problem. So let us take one tape, as you know. So let us take one tape. So I am taking a big one. So let us take A B A A B. So A B A A B, then C, then again A B A A and B. Now after that you can take any number of blank space, or like this way, B B here and B B in the both side. Okay, so let us begin with. So now this problem, this problem you can say you cannot solve it by push down automata. Okay, because see, when you are pushing the element in the stack, then when you pop it, the element which comes out of the stack will be in reverse order. Okay, but see, if it is now here the string is same, that is repeating itself. If it is WCWR, that is reverse of the string, then you can do this problem with push down automata. Okay, but in this case push down automata can't perform this operation. So after all, then Turing machine comes in the picture and it will solve this problem. So let us try to solve this problem. So I start with Q0. Okay, next it will first read this A, and it will convert this A to X and move right. So it will read A, convert this A to, let us say, capital X, and moves towards right and change its state. Okay, now after changing its state, it will read all the elements and it will do nothing. It will just keep reading all the elements till C is encountered. So by this means I am telling that, suppose it will read B, it will replace B by B and move towards right. It may read A, it will replace A by A and moves towards right. Okay, next when it first encountered with C, okay, so it will then read C, it will replace this C by C and then moves right, and obviously the next thing, it will change its state to Q2. Okay, now after this, the first thing that it will read is A, because that way this string is selected. So while reading A, it will do what? So suppose Q2 reads A, it will replace this A. Okay, now see, first here I have just forgotten, when it reads A, it will replace this A by, suppose, X. Okay, and it will replace B by B, moves right, A by A moves right, A by A moves right, again B by B moves right. Next C, so it will read C, replace C by C and moves right, and will first and will change its state to Q2, and it will first encounter with A. So while reading A, it will replace this A by X, but it moves towards left. So it will replace X, then moves towards left. Okay, very good. So after moving towards left, it will first encounter with suppose and change of state, then it moves, then it will encounter with C, so it will replace C by C, and it will leaves of AL, that is it move left, okay, and go to Q4, and then it will keep on reading all these elements, okay, so and moves towards left till it encounter with first X. So it will keep on reading each and every elements. So it means B will replace by B, moves towards left, A will replace by A, it moves towards, A moves towards left, and while encountered with first X or X, it will back to its own state. It will first read X, replace this X by X, and moves then towards right, okay. Now then what will happen? Now again this process will continue. Now the element is B, so I will not go through this step again. Rather I will, for the new element of B, new symbol of B, I will do another loop or another transition. Same way, so it will read B, replace this B by Y, say. So it will read B, replace this B by Y, and moves towards right. Then it goes to state, suppose new state Q5. Again it will can encounter with A. If it encountered with A, it will replace A by A, moves towards right. It may encounter with B also, so it will replace B by B and moves towards right till C is not encountered. So when C is encountered, it will replace C by C and moves towards right. Same thing, but it will change its state to suppose Q6. This is Q6. Now in Q6, what it will do, it will first encounter with X. So it will encounter with X, but it will just replace X by X and moves towards right. No, it will not move towards left, it will move towards right. Now it will replace this B. So after this, what it will do, so from Q6 it will replace B to Y, and then it may move to, then it will move to left, okay. So it will move to left, and while moving to left, it will encounter with X, okay. So next there will be a state change. It will encounter with this X. Maybe it can encounter with, suppose here it may encounter with Y also. So I just write the full transition with left, okay, and till it will move, till it will not encounter with C. So after moving towards left, it will encounter with C, replace C by C, and moves towards left and go to another state, that is Q8. In the Q8, that is this part, again it will replace A by A, moves towards left, and B by B, moves towards left till this Y is not encountered. So this is for the Y. So it will Y, replace Y by Y, but it moves now towards right. Simple, like this way. And it is study for, now it will again process A. So now see, again what we'll do. A, replace this A by X, moves towards right. Okay, now in the Q1 state, next symbol is A. So A will replace by A, moves towards right. Then again B will replace by B, moves towards right. Then C will replace by C, moves towards right. Then what will happen? Now see here, after C, it is now encountered with some X. So what it will do, it will just replace this X by X and moves towards right. Next it will again encounter with some Y. So it will read Y, replace Y by Y, moves towards right. Okay. Next again it's encountered with now A. It will replace A by X and moves towards now left. While moving left, it will encounter with what? Say C. Sorry. While moving left, it will first encounter with Y. So it will encounter with Y, replace this y by y, moves towards left. Again it will encounter with x, replace this x by x, moves towards left. Okay, now it encountered with c. After c, it replaces c by c, moves towards left. Then again b a encountered, and finally it encountered with x. So this will happen. Okay, so again it will moves towards right. When it moves towards right, it will first encounter with x. Okay, then replace this x by x, moves towards right. Then it will encounter with b. Then this will happen, it moves towards c. Then after c, it will read c, replace c by c, moves towards right, and it goes to the new state q2. In q2 it will encounter with this x, so this one, then y, this one, again x, this one, again this a. So it will do replace a with capital X and moves towards left. So by moving towards left, it will first encounter with this x, replace x by x, moves towards left. Again it will move encounter with y, replace y by y, moves towards left. Again it encountered with x, replace x by x, moves towards left. And then it will encounter with c. It will read c, replace c by c, moves towards left. Then it will read b, replace this b by b, moves towards left. Then it will first encounter with x, so this one. Again it is ready for a new journey. Now it will encounter with b, so this will happen. Okay, so it will encounter with b, replace this b with y. Then it moves towards right. So it will move towards right, because this it will not encounter with this anymore as per this equation. So it will read c, replace c by c, and moves towards right. Then it will encounter with x, then y. So y, replace y by y, and moves towards right. And this will happen, first x, then y, again x, again x. Then it will read b, replace this b by y. Okay, and move back. While moving back, it will encounter again x and y's, and it will ultimately read c. And after c, what will happen? It will read, it will move left and first read y. So it will read y. So again it will go over here. Okay, so this way the entire thing will go. Okay, and now see, one thing you have to think, that suppose a b star means what? This omega can be length of 0. So if omega is length of 0, so what will be the string? It will be only c. It will only c. So in that case, if you want to find a diagram of this c, then another thing you have to do, that is, will first read c, replace c by c, and moves towards right. Next q0, this is 8, so this is q9, and we will do another transition. We will replace x with and with right, y with y, this one. So while moving this, you encountered with c, and so from q0, now when you are last time when you are in y, you suppose in last time you read c, go to this q0 q8 state, and after that you move towards left. Okay, so you first read y, replace this y by y, and moves towards right. When you move towards right, again you encountered with c. So you encountered with c, replace c by c, and moves towards right. Then you continuously encountered either with x or with y. So x, y, right, y, right, and finally you will encounter with this b, that is blank. So it is represented by blank blank. That is, you reading b, replace this blank by blank, and moves towards ultimately right, and you go to the final state. Okay, so this is the working procedure of this particular problem WCW. Now suppose this omega is given like this way. Omega belongs to a b c d till up to z star. Then what will be the diagram? So you see that in this case there are 26 letters in English alphabet. So this thing, this is for A, this is for B. Similarly, another thing will be done for C. So likewise you have to do this 26 like this loop. Okay, and finally this one. So 27 this thing you have to do. Though it is a very time consuming, but we will not focus on the time. We will focus whether the machine can can ultimately read that particular language or not. So Turing machine can handle this language. Time it may take many times, it may take a long time, but ultimately you can get the result. Okay, so this type of problem can be easily done by Turing machine. Okay, thank you.